What exactly? Oh, I don't know what I was gonna say then. But I guess every time I'm gonna start the edits, it's always gonna be on right after no running. Okay, what? Back guy. That guy's gonna like kill me or something. I feel like now. It's not good. Oh, so we're like you know, it's like directly behind me. The two boats on my side. He's not even moving, man. I feel like he is gonna shoot me. That's not good. It's always middle. What is that guy doing? And what is that person doing? We just have AFK people and some guy doing something. I don't understand. Oh, is he running? Fuck no, man. I just want to get instant shot killed. Man. Just let me get instant killed. Let me do my own thing. Oh damn, bro. French. Oh, I see. I see. Oh, damn. Probably even aiming right here. Barely make it. Oh, I don't want to hit my own team. Get out of there, man. Oh, he dead. Oh, what he's doing. I really need to be aiming very hard at this guy. Fuck. What's 12 o'clock? Is that another South Carolina? I don't know what that is, but oh well. Direct. Get wrecked. I need to stay away from the boat that's to the west. That thing could kill me. Oh, and I've been turning completely off.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes starboard front.
Oh, like here right now.
Ship is on fire.
Boom, 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 boom.
Problem solved, sir.
Back up. Kill one ship. That's all you gotta do. Shoot down. Just hitting him at. Damn.
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
Oh damn. AP. That's all I can use. Yep, I'm dead. Damn it. What are they? Got actually. Oh! Tier 4s, Tier 3s. Those are like all destroyers or something. I don't know. What are they fighting? They are fighting another Runich. This sounds like a. Anyways, I'll see you in the next match.